Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zones. Welcome to Gautham IT Solutions. My name is Srinivas Sunkara. I'm a ServiceNow Solution Architect and Senior Instructor of ServiceNow. Today I'm going to talking about ServiceNow Introductory Series. So first of all, let's move on. ServiceNow Definition. ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM tool that supports IT service management and which is used to automate common business process. 90% people they don't aware of ServiceNow definition, but anybody ask the question about what is ServiceNow, you have to give a best definition to them. So somebody they're calling as ITSM tool, ticketing tool, SaaS and fast place platform. You can call it anything else. ServiceNow platform is going to providing demo environment for practice purpose. Now let's talking about what are the different service types available in ServiceNow. Typically, ServiceNow platform is going to providing different types of services. One is business service, second one application service, third one is technical service. And meanwhile, it's going to be provide a number of services as well. Those are IT service management, operational management, business management, field service management, access management, and customer service management. So these all are also different applications which are offered by ServiceNow. Like these all are security operations, GRC, governance, risk and compliance, and a very important application in ServiceNow. It's a human resource service delivery. And if we're talking about different services, so first one I will take a business service. Which kind of business service is providing the ServiceNow? So this service type that is published to business users, it is typically supports one or more business unit capabilities. So one business capability is high level capability or set of specific tasks need to be complete so by the ServiceNow providers. So that is an organization requires to execute its business model or fulfill its mission. So next one coming to application services. We are going to providing different kind of application services. That is a logically representation of deployed the services to application stack, and one application service is different from another application. So and there is no one-to-one relationship between them. So every application is a unique. So we have to provide the services on those applications. That is called application service. And finally come to technical service. A technical service is a type of service that is published to service owners. It typically underpins a business or application service. So these all the services are providing by ServiceNow. It's going to be fulfill all your business needs that is possible through ServiceNow platform. And next one, I'm going to talking about application ecosystem. ServiceNow is going to offer plenty of applications, but in this slide, I have mentioned only a few applications. Those are like incident management, problem management, change management, release management, vendor management, contract management, other applications as well. If we're talking about the benefits on ServiceNow, suppose ServiceNow is going to offer plenty of application, as I said earlier. If you are going to start a small business unit, let us assume as per your business requirement, want purchase only these three applications. That moment we have to pay only these three applications. No need to pay rest of applications which are available in the platform. And take one more example. I'm going to start one more business unit. It's a very big one. As per my business requirement, I'm going to purchasing these all 9 applications. As per my business requirement, I have to pay only those 9 applications. Not required remaining application to pay. Those are best benefits in ServiceNow platform. Every application is subscription basis, depends on your business requirement and like a client requirement. So we have to subscribe each application. So this is all about benefits of ServiceNow. And if you're talking about other benefits, if you purchase ServiceNow license, no need to install any software into your machine, only required one internet connection and a browser. And if you purchase ServiceNow license, no need to maintain any separate database and servers. Everything will be maintained by ServiceNow company itself. And one more great advantages in ServiceNow, every application is subscription basis. These all are great advantages which are involved into ServiceNow platform. Next one, I'm going to talking about ServiceNow benefits. So coming to the first point, hosted in the cloud. ServiceNow is pure cloud-based ITSM tool, which is used to automate your business process, as I said earlier. And other benefits already we discussed, right? And coming to second point, easily upgrade. For example, you are using one ServiceNow version called Cubic, and ServiceNow has recently released one more version, Roam. If you want upgrade from Cubic to Roam, so very simple to upgrade in the platform. There is no complexity to upgrade, just you can follow by the small checklist, few checklist points. Okay. And coming to the third point, based on ITIL, every ITSM tool was implemented top of ITIL standards. ITIL transfer information technology infrastructure library. There we can see bundle of approaches. Following by those approaches, we are going to automate your business process through ITSM tool that is called ServiceNow. And coming to fourth point, customization possibilities. ServiceNow is going to offer plenty of out-of-the-box or predefined applications. If you want to use those applications as it is, you can use it. Or else if you want to do any kind of customization, yes, we can do it. Any kind of customization, so through ServiceNow platform. And point number 5, data confidentiality. So any client before purchasing ServiceNow license, definitely they will think about, so what are the security constraints? So definitely I can say ServiceNow platform is going to provide a lot of security compared with other ITSM tool. There is no doubt at all. And coming to point number 6, more integration. ServiceNow can support all third-party integrations. There is no boundary for integration. And point number 7, improved operational tracking. This is a very key point in ServiceNow platform. Every business unit, they may contain a number of operational teams. Every team manager or team lead, they want tracking the team members and how many incidents are or problems are assigned to respective person, what is the state of each ticket, and what are the tickets in particular state. These all the things we can be able to get it very easily through applying by the filter condition tool list. So that's why I'm saying ServiceNow platform can use it to improve operational tracking within organization. So coming to point number 9, on demand of IT service management. As I said earlier, ServiceNow is going to offer plenty of applications. Every application is subscription basis, depends on our budget and requirement, we can go and purchase it. And powerful reporting feature, and it's going to be offer reporting capabilities. You'll be able to generating any kind of report within the platform. We can distribute them to respective people. So if you are using ServiceNow platform or any ITSM platform, you will be able to improve IT productivity and providing best services to customer as quickly as possible as per the timeline. So achieve news insights. So one more key point, and we can remove the friction with mobile. ServiceNow is providing mobile interface also. For example, So one new developer has requesting for iPhone mobile. So it has to be sent it to manager approval. Manager may be approved or reject. So but manager don't have any laptop or notebook. So how they can approve that request? So yes, they can be able to approve that particular request through mobile also. We can be able to access ServiceNow platform through mobile as well. And last point in ServiceNow benefits, create resilient service experience to your business customers. They are very happy with your services using by ServiceNow platform. And let's move to ITSM modules. In this course, we are going to cover different ITSM modules. In that, very important modules are incident management, problem management, change management, service catalog, knowledge management. These 5 applications are very important and frequently used by all business units and your clients. And next one, I'm going to talking about ServiceNow versions. Beside is the up-to-date list of current versions and upcoming ServiceNow releases and versions. So till now, ServiceNow has released so many versions from 2011 onwards. When ServiceNow has released as a cloud-based ITSM platform in 2011, the first version called Aspen. After that, they released so many versions. So the current version is the Rome. It was released in 2021. And if you're talking about upcoming versions, and San Diego, they're going to releasing second quarter 2022, and Tokyo as well, they're going to planning Q4, fourth quarter 2022. These two are like upcoming versions on ServiceNow. And let's talking about competitors and alternatives to ServiceNow. BMC. Now let's talking about competitors and alternatives to ServiceNow. BMC Remedy and Jira, Ivanti, Sapphire, IBM Bluemix, Maximo, Octopus, and Fresh Services. These all very good competitor to ServiceNow. But if you're talking about BMC Remedy, and 5 years back, 60% people are used BMC Remedy, and only 40% people are used ServiceNow platform. But this moment, the ratio has completely changed. 80% clients are migrated to ServiceNow. Only 20% people are using BMC Remedy. So now it's going to be lead the market by ServiceNow almost 5 years. And definitely next 1 decade or 2 decade also, it will be lead the market because ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM tool. Now let's come to who can learn ServiceNow. So anybody you want to learn ServiceNow, there are no prerequisites to learn. And although awareness of programming knowledge, it would be little helpful during their course. But if you don't have any experience in coding earlier, we'll be able to cover JavaScript fundamentals also. And the ServiceNow is going to offer different API features used will be based on the ServiceNow platform. And those are all called glide APIs. When we're working with development part, that moment we can elaborate more into ServiceNow glide APIs. So let's come to how to use for business perspective. And in different departments that you're going to using ServiceNow platform in different use cases. If you're talking about first use case, asset and configuration management. Every business unit, they're going to maintain a lot of asset and configuration details. If you want to identity of a monitor of IT service asset, those are related to your company, we can maintain through asset and configuration management application. And point number 2, plan and policy. If you want to maintain all the IT strategies and managing the projects which are in your organization, you'll be able to maintain all the details about them. And coming to IT services, so every internal IT service providers, they will use ServiceNow platform to deliver IT service and support to your business customers. And point number 4, IT operations management. So every operation management, they can track and manage IT resources and their systems. And finally, if I talk about non-IT services, even non-IT department also, they're going to use the ServiceNow platform to automate some business process outside of IT. And coming to ServiceNow history, Fred is ServiceNow founder and chairman, and Bill McDermott is current CEO of ServiceNow. And the ServiceNow Inc. Like is a cloud computing company which is located in Santa Clara, California. Initially, it was founded in 2004 by Fred Luddy, the previous CTO of software companies Paradigm Systems and Remedy Corporation. So, ServiceNow platform or tool is used to based on ITIL standards. If you're talking about features of ServiceNow, and the same points I have repeated again, easy to integrate and supporting for mobile applications, and easily upgrade from one version to another version, and providing more security compared with other ITSM tools, and data confidentiality, and we do a lot of customizations as per your business requirement, and we can integrating with all third-party applications, and mainly used to improve operational tracking. It's on-demand IT service management platform, and we can generate any kind of report within platform. We can distribute it to the respective customers, and it can be providing advanced level application called service portal. It's a framework and providing better user interface to customers, and a live feed facility. So your application, like so when you want to tracking your customer details, so we can track it very easily directly from live, and it's a very simple and constant and more secure platform. And who use ServiceNow platform in real case organization? If you talk about employee perspective, so they can use ServiceNow platform to request IT business service, and IT support staff point of view, they're going to managing service requests like incident, problems, and change requests. And coming to administration point of view, so they're using ServiceNow platform to manage applications which are available to selected users, and granting the permissions to them, and assigning the roles and other access controls. And next one, I'm going to talking about implementators. So every business application implementation specialist, they're using the platform to deploy process applications and platform features that will be addressing on organization business needs. And finally, coming to developers point of view, so they are using to create new functionality with the script or custom applications to extend standard configuration setup which are already implemented by ServiceNow. And this is the best diagram to understand where the people are using ServiceNow platform in a real case organization. If we talk about the customer, so every business customer, when they're facing a problem or unexpected interruption, immediately they can call to customer care. Customer care, in this sense, it is IT help desk in the organization. Outside people, they're calling as customer care, but internally, we can call it as IT help desk department. Here we need to know what is the responsibility of IT help desk department. So they will, IT help desk department is first contact person to customer. The responsibility of them, they will gather all information from the user, what was the issue, when they're facing, and where they are facing. Once got all the information from the user, they will create or raise one incident ticket from ServiceNow platform. So after that, same incident ticket they can route it to respect assignment group. So automatically system can send one notification to all members who are present in respective group. So one of the responsible person, they have to assign the ticket himself, start working on it. So developer is always sitting inside, inside of the company. Customer is always outside. A customer never interacting with the developer directly. So that's why they're following some standards communications. So they always communicated through only customer care. And the customer also, they can get back the information the same way. And when you open respective incident ticket, we can see all the details about the ticket, and meanwhile we can check that status of the ticket in each time when you open the ticket. Okay, this is the best example to understand where the people are using ServiceNow platform. So how ServiceNow is different from other competitors? So it is automatic upgrades, so we can configure it like that. ServiceNow is completely pure internet platform. If you want working with ServiceNow platform, require only one internet connection and browser. These two are fair enough to working with ServiceNow. And redundant and resilient in data centers in Australia with application data encryption. ServiceNow platform is going to providing maintaining a number of data centers with encryption format. And ServiceNow is providing mobile interface as well. It's a simplified, flexible, and subscription to all applications. So we have Google like of global search of IT. I can show you practically how the global search is working in ServiceNow and what are the search techniques we are using in ServiceNow platform. So custom self-service portal like a model after your corporate websites, easily configurable application offered as a SaaS, and we are going to using drag and drop graphical workflow application to design your own workflow that has added to your catalog item and order guide and other applications. And we can maintain delegated administration. And finally, ServiceNow is going to be like a managed, like a presented, unprecedented growth, financial stability, customer satisfaction. And finally, I'm going to talking about ServiceNow certifications. ServiceNow is going to offer three major certifications, which are mentioned below. One is ServiceNow Certified System Administrator, it's called CSA. Second one is CAD, Certified Application Developer. Third one is CIS, Certified Implementation Specialist. These three are major certifications are offered by ServiceNow. And coming to ServiceNow roles, it's going to offer below roles which I have mentioned in the slide. ServiceNow Administrator, it's a basic role. Every ServiceNow developer can be able to perform administration activities as well. Second one is ServiceNow Developer role. Every ServiceNow developer is going to involve in write the coding and to do any kind of complexity validations in the form level. And finally, one more role called Implementation Specialist. This is a special role. The developer can be able to create an application from the scratch and configure from the scratch. This is the like a specialist of implementation role. And finally, ServiceNow Solution Architect. Solution Architect is going to be designing the solutions to your customers and providing best practices and recommended methods. And coming to ServiceNow clients, and ServiceNow top clients I have mentioned in the slide, and these are very famous and top clients using our ServiceNow, like Novartis, Citibank, Dow, and FedEx, Aurora, and Highpoint, and like a Swiss Re. So many clients are using ServiceNow platform to automate their business process. Okay, for full course, contact Gautham IT Solutions and call to 9949429009 number to get enroll more information.